Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds shut down the 2022 Met Gala just moments after it began. The Hollywood power couple, who are co-chairs of this year's event, turn heads on the famous steps while arriving to the Upper East Side. For this year's gala, Blake shines in a Versace gown, complete with a long train, embroidered crystals, and matching gloves, while hubby Ryan wears a dark brown velvet Ralph Lauren tuxedo. Blake makes quite the entrance in her sweeping copper look, featuring a larger-than-life bow on her right hip. But once she takes her position on the Met stairs, a team of fairy godmother assistants unravel the metallic leather fabric at her waist to reveal a second look underneath. This light green evolution was designed to reflect the oxidized color of New York City's most famous resident, Lady Liberty. Right after the stunning transformation, Blake opens up to E! News about how her one-of-a-kind gown celebrates the city that never sleeps.
Blake Lively, Blake, you look dazzling. Tell us the inspiration behind this look.
My dress, copper patina. So I arrived in copper and then it patina to a fair degree. This is the constellation from Grand Central Station. This is architecture from the Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty. It's you know, lots of little references.
You've been coming to the Met for 14 years. Does it feel different being a co-chair?
So many years, my gosh.